I picked up the latest flagship true wireless earbuds from Sony, the WF-1000XM5 or XM5 for short. Got mine in silver, but let's be real, these are taupe. Still, I always recommend that you get a color other than black, because have you ever looked for a black earbud on the ground? These earbuds have every feature I was looking for and more. A wireless charging case, excellent range and battery life with Bluetooth 5.3. The hybrid foam ear tips make for a secure, comfortable fit that enhances industry-leading active noise cancellation. With head gestures, you can accept a call by nodding or reject a telemarketer. And obviously, quality sound. But my favorite feature about these XM5 earbuds from Sony is sometimes people want to talk to you while you're listening to some tunes or a podcast and you have to tap the side or take an earbud out, but you can go totally hands-free with these because once you start talking, the earbuds pick up on that, mute what you're listening to, and then use the microphones to amplify the ambient sound around you, and now you're in total conversation mode. But it's not all sunshine and lollipops. There's limited customization. By default, your left ear can control ambient sound and your right controls playback. But that's really about it. I would have liked to double tap the left ear to go back a song, but you can't. Unless you want to turn off the ability to toggle A and C altogether. The XM5 is not the smallest pair on the market, but they don't come loose during strenuous workouts. But even as an iPhone user, the XM5 are a quality alternative to the AirPods Pro. If you'd like to pick up these Sony earbuds yourself, I will leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description and pinned comment.
Hey, it's Vaughn's mom again, so I just wanted to remind you that instead of buying Vaughn's weird pictures online in various states of undress, you can just bookmark his Amazon affiliate link, and then when you shop, throw it on Amazon, he gets a few pennies here and there.